Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I honestly just wanted to jump on and make a short video, really just giving you guys some tips and tricks for investing into the stock market. You know, I get so many comments on my YouTube videos, Instagram, podcasts that, you know, people are just confused with investing. So I just wanted to make a short video, pretty much unedited, raw video, really just giving you guys my honest opinions and some tips and tricks and things you guys must know before you guys start investing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, by all means ask them down below. So honestly, let's just dive into it. So the first thing that I would highly recommend for beginners is to just start. The biggest issue I always see with people, you know, wanting to invest is they sit on the sidelines and they miss opportunity after opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. You know, Wayne Gretzky says it best that you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So for me, I always think that if you're a beginner that is wanting to invest, just start. Open up a Robinhood account or any stockbroker, put $1 in a company you believe in, and just start from there, right? You always can learn more as you go. And for me, I felt like when I first started, if I would have just opened up an account and just went in, I feel like I would have been so much more farther along than where I'm at right now, just because I felt like I sat on the sidelines for way too long before I started to invest. So guys, if you're just confused with investing, honestly, open an account, start buying companies that you believe in or ETFs, and just start learning the process. Number 2, get rich quick. Most people think that investing is an easy way to make money. Yes, it is, but at the end of the day, it's not get rich quick. Yes, there's going to be companies you buy that squeeze up 20%, and you may make money in the short run. But honestly, I feel like those companies are very risky, and I would rather see you guys grow 10% a year than, you know, trying to find the next company that's going to pop up 20% so you guys can buy and sell it or trade it. You know, I understand you guys can make money trading, but most people are better suited just for long-term investments. So honestly, if you're thinking about, you know, investing in the stock market to get rich quick, don't do it. It's better suited, you know, your money to go to a casino and gamble it away. But you have to understand that with investing, it's all long term. Trading, on the other hand, is a little different. It's a little more risk. You know, obviously you guys can make money from it, but it's just a different type of, you know, kind of industry, I guess. All right, so the third thing, education. I'm sure you guys have heard this thing that the more you learn, the more you will earn. Investing is the same way, right? Obviously, you know, all those people that do research, Warren Buffett pretty much says the best. He does, you know, anywhere from 4 to 6 hours of research per day on companies that he's looking to invest in. So if you're not doing that, you know, he's obviously going to have a competitive edge over you, and obviously that's why he's Warren Buffett. It's because he is the GOAT. He knows best, and he invests in companies, you know, that he completely 100% knows everything about. So, you know, honestly, do your research, understand your investments, and, you know, education. I cannot stress it enough. All right, the next thing I would highly recommend for you guys is if you're looking to trade, that's fine, but start off with a paper trading account. I see way too many beginners open up an account, and then within three weeks, 3 days, you know, they're messaging me saying, Carter, I burned through $5,000. Carter, I burned through $5, $500. You know, the biggest thing with starting your trading is paper trading. It's very similar to what I just said. You gotta learn it. It's like becoming a doctor or an engineer. How long does it take to do that? It takes years, decades, and all that stuff. So you have to treat it the exact same, or you will lose money, guys. You know, another issue I always see people do is they don't treat it like a business. You know, trading is a business. It means you're gonna have expenses. You know, with opening a business, you're gonna have overhead, you're gonna have payroll, you're gonna have insurance. So with trading, you're obviously gonna you're gonna need to be able to afford those softwares you don't want to pay. You're gonna want to pay for news. You want to have an edge, and the reason why is because there's more people out there that don't do it, and you'll have a higher, competitive advantage over them. Starting out, I understand it sucks paying 120 bucks a month for trade ideas. I get it, I was there, but it's something you always got to do with trading, guys. Then the last and final thing that I want to cover is don't listen to people. Don't listen to people. Do what you believe in, invest in what you believe in. You're gonna see way too many things on Twitter, Reddit, and all that stuff where they're gonna say, buy this, it's going to the moon, buy this, buy that, buy that, buy this. Don't do it. Invest in companies you believe in. It all comes down to education, which we kind of covered, but you have to believe in it. You're gonna see way too many gurus or people like that claim to say you're gonna make 100x on this or copy my trades. Dude, if you're copying people's trades, what happens if they don't show up to work tomorrow? What are you gonna do? And you're paying them anyways. So honestly, you gotta be a lone wolf in the marketplace. Yes, groups are very helpful because it'll kind of start giving you direction, which is great. But at the end of the day, you can't depend on them. Honestly, you really can't. I know it's terrible to say, but you have to be a lone wolf, a lone warrior navigating the stock market. Because if you're not and you're a sheep, you're gonna get absolutely annihilated on your trades. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, unedited, raw. I just wanted to tell you guys I've just gotten pretty much bombarded with different comments about investing, in some of my last videos. So I just wanted to make an unedited, raw video, just honestly giving you guys my opinions. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the like button. You guys know what to do. Subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Take care, everyone. See you guys.